When you're living in times of pandemic, this is what you do. I was really thirsty. Also, this was like a friendly reminder to remind you to drink your water. So drink your water, guys. I know I look really crusty right now, but that's like the whole point of this video, because we are going to be transforming. Actually, I'm going to be transforming myself, but I'm going to be taking you along on this journey. So yeah, my hair has been looking really off these days. I don't really like my hair color. I mean, this is like my natural hair color. It's black, and yeah, my color is literally fading off. I think I got my hair color last year, so it's been almost a year now, and I think I do need a little bit of change. Also, my skin has been all over the place this entire year because of stress and so much happening around, but my skin has been doing pretty well, thank God. Touch wood. I mean, I really had to do that, can't take another risk. So yeah, I do think that it has been doing well, but I still haven't gotten my eyebrows done this entire year. I think I've just been doing it by myself, and I think I still do it by myself in this video. But what you'll see in this video is a pretty good hair transformation maybe. You'll also see my skin looking a little bit better maybe. I've also been eating right and also been working out this entire year, which I'm like extremely proud of. I've lately also gotten into yoga, which is amazing. I almost feel like I can be a yogi, because since the time I've seen how flexible your body can get if you like do yoga regularly, I just really want to do like headstands and like do all these crazy asanas. I'm obsessed, guys. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's talk about our plan of action. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is probably washing my hair, because this is my 4th day hair, and tomorrow I'm getting my hair color done. I just asked my friend if I can just walk in like this, but she's like, it's better if you wash off your hair. So I think I'm going to wash it off, and she also asked me not to put conditioner. She says that the color doesn't sit right when you like apply conditioner, so I'm just going to wash my hair only with shampoo. I'm also not going to be doing chumpy, which is so not like me. So I just thought of showing you guys what I look like before. This is what I look like. I literally look like an egg. I think I'm going to go and take a steam now, because I don't really like taking steam right after taking a shower, like especially if I've washed my hair. I don't like that. So yeah, I think I'm just going to be taking a steam abhi, and then I'll go take a shower and then do my skincare and everything. So when you're living in times of pandemic, this is what you do every time you take a steam. I don't know if I really want to film myself doing this, but I'm going to take a steam because I don't really own a face steamer, so I'm going to do it the traditional way. So see you guys in a bit. I look like a red potato. That's like the only difference. Okay, so I just took a shower, and now I'm going to shave my face. I think this entire year, oh, this is my 3rd time shaving my face. Even when I started, I don't think so I did really shave my face that often. But I think the first time I shaved it, I remember I was at my parents' house, and oh my god, I think that is the reason why I like started breaking out in the first place. That is exactly why I did not shave my face. And now when my skin was clearing up a little bit, I shaved it then. So it hasn't been a long, I think it's just been a month or so. And yeah, I mean, I don't have a lot of facial hair honestly, but yeah, also I told you I have been doing my brows on my own. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do my brows, clean it up a little bit, because I don't know if you can tell, but it's really gross. Got done shaving my face, and now I'm going to do my normal night skincare routine, and yeah, I shall see you tomorrow. I think that's all that I'm going to do right now. I feel much better. I also like shaved my legs and arms, and every time I shave I almost feel like a different person altogether, so that's great. I still haven't decided what color do I want to go in with. I think it will still be in the brown family, but let's see. Yeah, I'm really excited, and I'll see you tomorrow. What the hell is this? Why am I doing this? Okay, so I just got ready and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a very comfy top and just very comfy pants because I just really want to be comfortable while they do my hair. And I did wash my hair, but my hair is still pretty wet. I don't know, but yeah, I'm really excited. Let's see. Yeah, we will address the new hair in a bit, but before that I was just thinking of doing a face mask. I'm not understanding if I should try out this one that I got from Ministry recently, Ministry Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, or should I do a sheet mask. Sheet masks are such a scam because it's just this with like so much serum in it, so I think you should rather get a serum than... Okay, so now I'm gonna do my nails. I recently got all these nail paints from K Beauty and I've been trying, like I actually have this one thing in my mind, create this thing wherein I'm going to paint each nail with a different color. That's just something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, and I thought that, you know, might as well do it right now. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Anyway, whenever I paint my own nails, I never paint my right hand. I always only paint one hand because I just cannot paint this, like I cannot paint with my left hand. So, but still I tried and it is a little bad. I mean, right now I'm gonna do my hair. By the way, this is my new hair. This is how it looks like. I think it still looks a little darker on camera. I think it's a lot lighter in person. I just did the same thing that I did last year, but a little different. I mean, I told her that I wanted it to be slightly louder than what I had last year. Last year I did something that was extremely subtle. So this is how my hair looks like, and yeah, it has just been blow dried because we did not have a lot of time. So yeah, we did not curl it or anything. So this was blow dried and now it's almost like not there, like the blow dry has gone. I'm going to wait for them to like cool down a little bit and then I'll probably open them up. Till then I'm just going to be doing my makeup now. You guys know that I don't know, or I mean I can't do a lot of makeup, like I'm not very great at it. Video. This is how I look. This is my final look. This is the best that I could do with makeup. I think I've experimented quite a bit with my eyes. I usually just put like one eyeshadow, but today I tried like two, so I'm pretty happy. The outfit is from Fashion Nova. My neck pieces are from, one is H&M and the other one is just a gold chain, and yeah, hoops are also from H&M. My lipstick, I'm wearing Smashbox Babe Alert. Is it Babe Alert or River Seed? I don't know, but I think it's Babe Alert, yeah. And yeah, that's about it. I think I really like the way I look. Okay, so this entire year has been a lot for everybody, I'm pretty sure, and I just wanted to look a little different going into the new year. So that is why I got my hair colored. You know how they say when a woman decides to change her color, like hair color, she decides to change her life, something like that. So yeah, I just wanted a little bit of change. I think I'm a pretty firm believer of the whole, if you look good, you feel good. So right now that I look good, I feel amazing. I feel really good. Like the society that we live in, we are told like you have that one self-care day when you have had too much, you can take some time to look good, feel good. I honestly don't think so that's how you should live your life. You should just do what you feel like I was not liking the way I looked, so I decided to do this. And I know looks aren't everything. There are other things like eating right, sleeping on time, reading books, and honestly, if you follow me on Instagram, you do know that I do all of that, like as and when I get time. So yeah, also I have been like working out regularly and eating right regularly. I think that has also helped me be fine mentally. Really hope that you found this video entertaining. That was the whole point of this video, and I had a lot of fun doing all this to myself, and yeah, I feel like a different person altogether. Let me know if there's anything specific that you want me to film. I would definitely go ahead and do that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like, it would mean the world to me. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.